Hello, Kevin Obina from nailbottech.com is here. So in today's video, I want to show you how to start an online business. So starting an online business can be very overwhelming and frustrating because there are different noises on the internet when you search on Google how to start an online business. There are many businesses out there you can get started, but it's specific in this video. I want to show you two ways you can follow to start an online business. So the number one you can follow to start an online business is called selling a product. So there are two ways you can follow to start an online business. So the number one is selling a product. So the number two is offering a service. So selling a product can be a physical product, it can be a digital product. Physical product is a product you go to a website like Amazon and purchase it there and sell it on different websites, or you become an affiliate and you become an affiliate by selling a physical product on an e-commerce store like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, etc. So once you start selling all these products on different e-commerce sites, then you start making profit from that. So there are two ways you can follow to start an online business: selling a physical product or a digital product. That is selling a product. So the second one, which is offering a service. So this includes uh, you helping people to solve a particular problem. That is, you find a problem that people is having, then you find a solution about that. You make a content about that will help the people, help those people to solve those problems. So once you find a solution, you make a content about that will solve the problem, and you provide it to people on different places like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. So you have two options: either selling a product or providing a services. So there are different things you need to consider before you start an online business, because starting an online business is for you to start making money online. So if you try to sell on different marketplaces, that you want to sell a product, what is the type of product you need to be looking for? Is a product that high a good profit margin. For example, you find a product that sells for $15. So you find this product, you go to a website like Gigi or Jumia or other marketplaces and you list it there. So in this case, I'm talking about if you are using a dropshipping method. So you go to a website like a Gigi and or or Jumia, you list all those products. So you list all the products that had a price of $15, and you sell it around $13. So you only have $2 profit margin. So if you want to have a high profit margin selling a product, what you need, the type of a product you need to be looking for, the product that you can buy for around $5 and sell it around $10, so that you have a 5% $5 profit margin. So in case you sold a product of $15 price, sell it $13, only have a $2 profit margin. So that is not good at all. If you buy a product of $5 and sell it $10, that's a $5 profit margin, and that is good. So you need to be looking for a better product that has a good profit margins. So in this in the case of the second one, which is providing a services, these services can be what you learn, what you know how to do. It can be website designing, it can be logo designing, it can be that is graphic designing, it can be anything, any skills you have learned online. You can provide that services on a different marketplaces like a Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and you list all those things there. So once people contact you. Once people see those listings, they make an order for that, then you come, you see those orders, you deliver it to them, and you make money. So there are different things you can there are different ways you can follow to start an online business. But in this case, I showed you two ways that you can follow to start an online business. That is by either you sell a product or you offer a service, or you offer a services. So here is where I am stopping this video. So for those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Kevin from nelbotech.com. So if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and consider giving this video a thumbs up. So you can subscribe to this channel because in this channel I share tips relating to how to make money online. I also share tips that will help you to run a successful PayPal account. That's a PayPal account that can help you to receive payments and also send payments. So I shared tips and tools that will help you to succeed in the online business. So if that interests you, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up in this video. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice ahead. So I remain Kevin from nelbotech.com. Have a nice ahead. Bye.